Ow. Who are you?
I think a better question would be, who are you?
Ow, you attacked me. I don't want any trouble, okay?
Just exactly what are you doing in my territory?
I don't know. My pack leader brought us here.
You mean there's another pack with you?
Yeah.
Well, okay then. Tell your pack to get out of here.
Oh, well, you see, we can't do that, 'cause he really wants to go and, this girl Emma in our pack told us that there was another pack close to a Cougar place, and I'm guessing you're from it?
I'm only gonna tell you one more time. Tell your pack leader that we are not interested in joining another pack. Now get lost.
Dude, Car will tear me up if I tell him to do something.
You're nothing but a coward, aren't you?
I'm not a coward, you just don't know our pack leader.
Yeah, and I really don't want to either. Tell your pack to get their tails back to where they came from.
Please understand, we had to leave because we're short on food.
We're not doing so hot on food either. You do know the Cougars take a lot of it.
Those stupid cats. Tell me about it. I'm really sorry, but I really can't do anything about my leader wanting us to come here.
Whatever. Just get out of here before I decide to eat you.
Okay, you guys are cannibals?
Figure of speech. Okay, I'm going back now.
Hey, wait. Where am I?
Serves me right for attacking an Omega.
Look, I really need to get back to my pack.
Sorry, there's really nothing I can do about that. Can't you just track your pack down by their smell?
Well, can I come with you, please?
You're kidding, right?
Does it look like I'm kidding?
Sorry, not interested.
Wait! Excuse me, has anyone seen Kuezon? Anybody, huh?
What are you doing?
Have you seen my brother? I can't find him.
Sorry, no.
Yeah? Have you seen my brother?
You mean Kuezon? Yeah, no, I haven't seen him.
We can't leave without him.
And Car says I'm a sicklet.
Keuzon, where are you? What's with your racket? Sorry, Car. I think we lost a pack member.
What? You mean a sickla?
His name is Kuezon.
Kuezon, the biggest sickla in my group.
Sorry to tell you this, but we're leaving without him. What? But a pack stays together.
Well, maybe he shouldn't have wandered off.
Let's get going.
Come on, Cody.
But my brother...
Car's not gonna wait for us. Come on.
I'm sorry, Kuezon.
What's going on with you, Guinevere?
Nothing at all.
Well, your mom'll be here shortly.
Whoop-de-doo-dah.
Well, don't say we're the bad guys, Guinevere. You're the one who decided to go play with a little wolf cub. For the last time, I wasn't playing with her. Who cares? You were doing anything but killing it, and that's against the law. Yeah, Shela's not gonna be very happy with you.
Since when is my mom ever happy with me?
Well, maybe if you acted more like a cougar than one of the wolves, then she'd probably like you more. Just because I don't want to kill a wolf doesn't mean I'm one of them. Besides, it's not right for us to have taken their territory. They were weak, Guinevere. It's not our fault. Yeah, I remember taking down their leaders. Too bad we couldn't have killed their stupid little kid as well. You know, I'm glad we didn't kill Icess. She didn't deserve any of this. Ugh, its name is Icess? That's the dumbest name I've ever heard. Isn't that some kind of plant?
What does it matter?
I don't know.
But you can shut up now, because Shela's coming.
And Lena. Oh, Guinevere. Come here, child. Closer. Good. Now, would you mind telling me what happened yesterday? I wasn't hanging out with a wolf, Mom. The only thing I was doing was keeping her from being killed by Lena. Is that so? Tell me, Guinevere, what's our first law? Don't pee in our drinking water? That's the second one. I'm asking what the first one is. Always kill a wolf, no matter what. And what did you do, Guinevere? I protected the wolf. And what have we discussed about that? Hate to break it to you, Mom, but I don't kill for no reasons. Or I guess I could say for stupid reasons. Is that so? Well then, Guinevere, your life is not going to end well if you keep this crap up. You mean you're going to kill your own daughter? Who knows? Maybe. You've just been getting on my nerves lately. A lot. Well, I'm glad we're floating in the same boat now. You're pushing it, Guinevere. I'm sorry. That's what I thought. You're grounded. Stay in the cave. No leaving. I'll have everyone making sure that you're not gonna leave. So, have fun, Guinevere. You heard her, get in the cave. Yeah, Guinevere, get your butt in there.
Man, how come we're always guarding the stupid cave?
I don't know, maybe 'cause Shela trusts us the most.
Sure, whatever. Make it a positive.
I will.
Yo, Jenna. Hi, Rover. What you doing? Waiting. For what? Oh my dog, Icess, you're finally back. Where were you?
I told you I was going out hunting, Jenna.
Yeah, yesterday. You never came back.
Well, I got caught up with some wolf. Who's that?
Oh my gosh, you run fast. Oh, you followed me? Please don't be mad at me.
I told you to take a hike.
I'm sorry. You guys aren't gonna accept me into the pack, are you?
Wait a second.
Kuezon? You know him, Jenna? Jenna! No flippin' way, I thought you were dead!
No, Kuezon, I'm alive.
But the guy, he took you!
I know, but he also trained me and a friend, so we could fight.
Jenna, you've been here all this time?
Yeah, I have. Jenna? Mind explaining?
Icess, this is my brother. Your brother? Yeah. Can't you see the resemblance? Jenna, you never told me you had a brother.
That's because I never thought I'd see him again. Or is Cody here?
Nah, he's still with Car.
Oh my gosh, Car is still the alpha?
Yeah, he's really nasty at times.
Okay, you guys, I am very confused.
Yeah, Car? What kind of name is that? Isn't that an automobile that humans drive? Well, it's a name. It can be a name, actually, and it's spelled K-A-R, not C-A-R.
Jenna, is this really your brother? Heck yeah, Icess. Long ago, I was taken as a pup. That's how I met Amber, and then we got trained. And then we met you.
Speaking of Amber, has anybody seen that cougar?
You guys mean she's not back yet?
Who's Amber?
Long story, but she's not back? I haven't seen her in like a whole day. This is really bad. Ugh. It's nice to see you, Kuezon.
Oh yeah, nice to see you too, Jenna.
Kuezon, Car isn't on his way, is he?
Yeah, he is.
No, not Car.
He wants to take over this pack and have you guys join him.
Well, sorry, Car, but I don't think Icess would enjoy that very much.
Who's Icess?
The girl that was just here a minute ago?
Oh yeah. Man, she packs a punch. I cannot feel my forehead.
Well, I'll see if I can convince Icess to let you stay, but no one else. If Car takes over, who knows what will happen.
This is extremely awkward, and I'm not understanding any of it, so I am leaving before my brain decides to explode out my ears. That guy's pretty weird.
Yeah, I know.
Anyway, I'm going to go wash off this blood now. I'll be right back, okay, Jenna?
I'll come with you.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, false alarm. I don't know what that was, but it sounded disgusting.
Whatever.
I swear, every one of these Cougars are idiots. I heard that, Guinevere. The only idiot here is you. Yeah, like, big time.
Sure, whatever the hairballs say.
Say, didn't Shela say she was gonna do some big business today?
I heard they brought something in. Something important.
Oh my gosh, I cannot stand this any longer.
Tim! Tim! Tim, come here. Come here, darling. Great.
Shela's still doing that thing? Has she killed it yet?
Not yet.
Are you gonna want to watch it?
Not really.
Well then, Tim. Do us a favor, okay?
Sure, whatever you ask for.
Watch over little Guinevere for us, okay? Make sure she doesn't run off!
Yeah, sure thing. Just go on, go have fun, and get away from me, you freak.
Thank you.
Disgusting.
Thanks a bunch, Timmy boy.
Sure, whatever you guys say.
Hi, Tim.
Gwen, what did you do this time?
The only thing I did was save a wolf cub from being eaten by Lena.
Well, you do know they hate it when you guard wolf pups. You know that, right? We want them all dead, don't we?
Tim, this isn't right. We have to do something about this.
As far as I'm concerned, Gwen, we really can't. We don't have any power compared to Shela.
Sometimes I think the only reason why the Cougars are killing the wolves is because Shela wants them to.
I don't know. Some of them seem like they enjoy it.
I know, but hey, Tim, what's going on?
You mean, like, what they're doing over there?
Yeah. Why are they in a big circle?
I overheard that Shela was gonna kill somebody.
Who? And for what?
Well, I don't think it's anyone from here.
I have to see. Quiet down, everybody. It's time. We all hate this one, don't we? She's always been on the side of the wolves. Little brat from the beginning. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Let's just say I enjoy killing traitors, even though this one's never been on our side. Are you all ready? Alright then. Excuse me. No! No!